Okay, Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited, jeepsunlimited.net. You can view this frame and others like it. Just go to the top, search, and just type in frames, and it'll pull up all the frames we have listed. This is obviously a frame section, not a complete frame. 303-666-9020. Doing a video on it so you can see it as if you were here in person. So, I don't normally cut frames, so if you request one and we don't happen to have one cut, it is what it is, kind of thing. We don't we only list what we, if that makes sense. So if you request us cut one and we don't have it already cut, good luck, because we are known for our good solid frames here. Now, if they're bent at all, or we have any idea, any thought, inkling, any whatever that it could be bent, then we will sell the rear section of them, or the front section of them. So in this case, there was a couple things. One, that little mount there, you can see it's kind of twisted. Not a huge deal, but nonetheless. And then the second thing, and this is literally why we did this, we cut this frame, is that this back support here. So it was rear-ended. It's too difficult to tell, whatnot. So that probably can be put on either frame straightener or just take a chain and yank it out. But as if you're out in the Midwest, you probably realize that this area, which is all factory paint, so on this frame, it's in very, very good shape. It came out of California, so this is the liner they put on the bottom sides you see in there. But that's all really nice. This area loves to rot out in Midwest East Coast Jeeps, so if you're in that area. I'm going to flip it over here in a second. It will go out freight because it's fairly big. So you do need a commercial address, or we can ship it to a terminal near you. Not a big deal, not very heavy. You can ship it to a residence, but it does charge a liftgate fee. So the 3 holes on each side for your belly pan there. And this is a 97-02 frame. It will work all the way up to 06. It's actually not the rear that matters, it's the front half. So if you have if you have side steps, that would be the only difference, but you can put the early side steps on it. This guy here needs to be straightened out. It's a little beat up. That's probably just from manhandling around the yard, whatnot. So then there you can see that nice big X there, where that took the blunt of it. So otherwise, it's a beautiful frame half. So it will definitely sell quick. They always do. Again, 303-666-9020. Thanks a lot.